Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create and edit text, along with creating text styles in Figma. To add a text style, select the text tool, click anywhere on the canvas, and start typing. If you want to adjust the size of the text field, simply click and drag the edge of the text. For scaling the text up or down, you can use the scale functionality in the top panel or press K on the keyboard and drag one of the corners of the text. You can change the font by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting a font you like. Let's change the font from Inner to Poppins. Notice that changing the font to one that takes up more space caused the text to wrap onto two lines. To fit the text on a single line, select Auto Width. To change the font weight, click here and choose a weight from the drop-down. You can also adjust the size of the text here. Now let's see how line height works. Line height allows you to control the vertical distance between lines of text in a paragraph. By default, the line height is set to auto, but Figma allows you to set a fixed line height in pixels or a line height that's a percentage of the font size. You can also adjust the letter spacing here, but this is not recommended in most cases. Paragraph spacing lets you control the distance between paragraphs. Enter a value in pixels, the paragraph spacing field, or hover above the icon and drag to decrease or increase the spacing. With these three controls, you can set the alignment of the text to either left, center, or right. In this area, you have options for auto width, auto height, and fixed size. When you choose a fixed size, you can use alignment properties to align your text with a text area. Click on the three dots to open the type settings. Here you have additional options for text alignment. You can add text decorations, paragraph indentation, and even bullet or numbered lists. List spacing lets you control the distance between each line item in a bulleted or numbered list. By default, list spacing is set to 0, but you can decrease or increase the value. Additionally, you can change the case set to lowercase, uppercase, or title case. Just like with other objects, you can apply color, gradients, and strokes to your text layer. Remember how we created color styles in the previous lesson? We can also create text styles. Click on the icon with 4 dots, enter the style name, and then click on Create Style button. We can also create a text style for our paragraph. In the right panel, we now have 2 text styles along with the color style we created earlier. Styles are editable, and we can easily make adjustments. When we select text that is using a text style, we cannot see the line height or font size since they are defined by the style. However, we can detach the style and make desired adjustments to the text. By detaching the text style, our text will no longer be tied to the style, allowing independent changes.